I didn't get a chance to vlog this morning. It's 5:30 right now. I'm leaving work. I actually have to go to a dinner tonight. I have to go to a dinner with my company. So I don't know if you guys know this or not, because I don't know if I ever have shared this on YouTube, but I work in HR, and more specifically, I work in compensation. But our entire HR team, so our HR business partners, not our recruiters aren't a part of this, but our HR business partners from all over the world, they're in town in Charlotte this week doing HR meetings. So we're having dinner at a place called Toscana that's in South Park, if you're from the Charlotte area or know of the Charlotte area. But we're having dinner at Toscana, and then that's basically it. I think it's an Italian restaurant from what I researched on the menu when I looked. But yeah, it seemed like, I don't remember exactly what they have, but I recall it being pretty good. Like, it sounded pretty good when I looked at the menu. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Hey y'all, so I haven't been vlogging. I haven't been vlogging, so you know, I don't know how long this vlog is gonna be. Probably short, but there's something important that I had to tell y'all about today. Hold on, let me get it. I went and I bought something the other day, and it's an Instant Pot. Oh, it's heavy. I bought an Instant Pot, and it's still in the box. Like, I have not opened it at all, and I want to do like a unboxing. I don't know. It ain't really an unboxing because it's just one thing in here, right? Here is the Instant Pot. I'm gonna see if I can watch a YouTube video because I just don't have time to be. I got my computer up, so let me see.
Today I am making chicken Alfredo in the Instant Pot.
Yeah, so I watched one YouTube video of how to use an Instant Pot and how to make chicken Alfredo with an Instant Pot. So I guess that makes me an expert. I don't have chicken broth. Can I just use water? That's how you cook pasta. Why do I have to use chicken broth? I'm not going to the store, so I'm not going to the store, and I already didn't cut up my chicken, so we're just gonna try things and see what happens. And I'm going to plug it up here. Y'all, I have a master's degree. There's no way that I'm gonna let this technology win against me, okay? People on the internet said to push this button, the saute button. So it's saying 30 seconds. I don't know. I hit the saute button, right? And it says on. Is it supposed to? The people on the internet say it's supposed to say hot. So I think when this says hot, I think this is supposed to be hot. Like, it's gonna say hot where it says on right now. It's warming up, y'all. All right, y'all, so while I was loading dishes in the dishwasher so that y'all don't see no dishes in my sink, this became hot. So I think it's time to to do things. From what I learned, I need to, is it hot in here? Yeah, it's a little hot. So what I'm gonna do is put some oil in here and then put my chicken in. So we are about to use some Food Lion olive oil and we're gonna throw it in. Is that enough? Let's throw some more in there. Can y'all see what I'm doing? I'm trying to like focus, but also, you know, like let y'all see what I'm doing, but also not burn my house down. So hold on. Okay, so I got some chicken. I cut up my chicken and seasoned it and, you know, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna take my chicken and I'm gonna throw it in here. We got some action, y'all. Hold on. Okay, so things is happening. Things is happening. My chicken, she's looking cute right now. You know, it's a lot of steam that's coming out of here, but we're cooking. We're getting there.
Once your chicken is browned on both sides, go ahead and remove the chicken from your pan. Now you're gonna add just another tablespoon or so of olive oil so you can cook your garlic. So I added about a teaspoon of garlic. I just put it on the bottom of the pot. Next you're just going to mix that around just so the garlic will cook a little bit, and once it becomes fragrant, you know you're good to go. Now I don't want my pot to stay burned, so I'm gonna add about a cup of chicken broth right now and just kind of scrape the bottom of my pan. Okay,
so the lady on YouTube said that I need to put in chicken broth, a cup of chicken broth, so that I can scrape the bottom of the pan. I don't have chicken broth, so I'm gonna use water and see what happens. So my Instant Pot is oh my gosh, it's going through some things. Oh, it's coming off. I don't want to scrape with like metal, right? Like you're not supposed to do that. So I'm taking a spatula.
Add 2. Then I'm gonna add another 3 broth right now and just kind of scrape the bottom of my pan so I won't get that burn nose. Then I'm gonna add another 3 cups of chicken broth. So in total, I am adding 4 cups of chicken broth. Then you're gonna add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream.
All right, y'all. So I think my Instant Pot is working. It says on. I pushed the pressure cook button and it says on. So I guess it's working. It says on, right? And it says pressure cook, and I push 6 minutes because that's what the lady told me to do. So I guess I guess I could just, she said I could walk away. That's what she said. That's exactly what she said. She said when it say on, you can walk away. So I'm gonna walk away. I'm walking away. You're so weird. Show them all the other thing that you picked up. These are hot cocoa kisses. So we're gonna put them to the test. Do they really taste like hot cocoa? Can you put those in hot cocoa?
Sure, why not?
I mean, the picture has it on hot cocoa, so it's like. Instant Pot is making noise. Okay, I guess it should be making noise, right? That means it's cooking, I guess. I'm just gonna keep watching. I'm just gonna keep watching Frivolous Francis. Go watch Frivolous Francis videos. I'm trying to get Desi to sit on this chair and she doesn't want to.
Go, Dust.
That's a Game of Thrones chair.
The Queen of Westeros. She doesn't even watch Game of Thrones.
Who said Westeros?
You don't even know who Arya is.
The blonde one, right?
She's not blonde. Get out of here. You don't even watch Game of Thrones right now. It's
Wait, who's the
yelling
blonde?
at you.
I mean, Daenerys.
Alright, y'all, so my Instant Pot is done cooking. I think I've been watching YouTube videos for like 20 minutes because Kristen with 7 sisters, is that her name? 6 sisters. Kristen at 6 sisters YouTube channel said that I need to, what did she say? I don't even remember what she said, but we're just about to open my food and see what it looks like. Okay, so Kristen said this little thing, oh, it's she said if I move this, stuff will jump out at me, so I didn't want to do that, but it looks like it's really up some stuff. Y'all hear that? Okay, so she said I can do this, but be careful. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my thing off. Okay, there's stuff happening in here, and I think it's done. It's real right. It's runny. Oh, I don't have no cheese in here. Hold on. So my sis Kristen said to take some cheese and throw it in here. She said 2 cups of cheese, but I don't know what that means. So we're just gonna she also said use like regular, she said use shredded cheese, but I don't have that. So I don't have shredded cheese. So let's just mix. Okay, y'all, so this is the moment of truth. I got my chicken Alfredo. Can y'all see it? I got my chicken Alfredo, so this is the moment of truth. I should have used chicken broth. I should have used chicken broth. It tastes like pasta water. Maybe that's why all them recipes said use chicken broth. This doesn't this doesn't taste good. All right, y'all, we failed because I don't know how to follow directions. So I am going to go to bed. It's 10 o'clock. I didn't realize it was this late. So I'm gonna take my my bland chicken Alfredo and, you know, have dinner. But I'm going to end this vlog right here. If you guys like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. Comment. Tell me how trash I am about this chicken Alfredo and this Instant Pot. I'm gonna go watch some more of Kristen's videos because she seemed like she know what she doing with her Instant Pot. So I need to go study my sis Kristen. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.